Peace be upon you all. Hi guys, what's up, what's happening? I hope you all are well. Today I have the unboxing of the FANTECH Omni MH83. It's an RGB headset, a gaming headset actually, with RGB. Of course, that's very essential. But this is my new gaming headset. I used to have an Onikuma one, but you know, that one, it didn't really go well. I didn't have a good time with that. It was a decent headset, but you know, it stopped working after a bit. But anyways, this is the back. You can see some specs on that, and you can also see, you know, over-ear design, which I really love, multi-platform compatibility, which is good. So this is the, you know, the headphone. Over here you have, I'm not sure why that's so big, but it is what it is. There we have the headphone, the jack, and there we have a USB for the RGB. With that being said, let's open it up. Oh. Why is this not opening? Oh, because there's tape on the sides. I'll be back. Okay, with the tape being removed, we can now open this up. And that's basically what you see first. It's wrapped kinda decently. If we pull out the cable, wow. The cable is, you know, it's very long. Wow, that's really good. Oh wow, we also have a splitter over here. Nice. With covers on top. That's amazing. Mashallah, mashallah. Need to take that off. I'll keep this in the in the box, because I don't really need that. Okay. And with that being said, we just pull that out. Before we go any further, this is what comes in the box. Warranty card. Comment down below what language this is. I'm not sure what language that is. And then over here we have a quick start guide. What's included in the box, and yeah. Good. Now then, on to the main stuff. Okay then, I'm going to go ultra wide. There we go. So this is the cable. It is nylon braided, I believe. And of course we have our headphone jack and our audio cable right there. And of course this is a small, nice. So this is the cable. I guess this is around half a meter. No, I guess this is 1 meter, a 1 meter cable, which is decent, to be honest. It's not, it could be longer. But could be shorter, but it is decent. And with that being said, let's open this up. So this is what we have paid for. Oh my god, subhanallah. Over here you can see inside you'll have the RGB lighting. Over here we have our microphone. You cannot extend it like that, but you can put it up and also take it out. Of course we have the padding up here, and wow, you know, it feels very, very, very high quality. That's really, really, really nice. And of course we have R over here for right side, L over here for left side. And I'll put this on. Oh wow. It's like it has noise cancellation. It's like I'm in, like when I put it on, it feels like as if my ears are blocked, which is, I guess that's how noise cancellation works, to be honest. But yeah, they feel really, really, really nice. Subhanallah. I'll plug these up into my computer and then I'll show you. Okay then, I have plugged it into my computer. I'll show you how I've done it. Over here we have this, that's for the power, and that's the splitter attached to this. So the microphone will also be active. And I'll actually show you a clip from OBS over here, showing of how it sounds, the microphone, how it sounds. And you can see it's grill finish, and underneath that we have the RGB, which is really nice. I really like the RGB. And of course, it looks really nice, to be honest. At the back you can see the FANTECH mic, MCX01. That will also be unboxed in an upcoming video. Please do subscribe if you want to see that. With that being said, I'll plug this into my computer. Well, I have done that, but I'll show you a sound clip. Okay, well, right now I'm using the mic which is on the headphone, and to be honest, the microphone, it seems quite, you know, a bit cheap, but and you also cannot adjust it, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not sure if you can hear my PC in the back, but I will. I'm currently, I guess, 20 centimeters away from the computer. I'll get a bit closer to it and see if you can hear the fans. I'm not sure if you could hear the fan, but the fans are quite loud right now. But anyways, yeah. In regard to the sound test, I have this video of mine over here. Let's play it.
Wow, imagine writing this part in real life. That would be so cool.
So yeah, the sound quality is very decent.
Oh wow!
Actually.
Whoa! Hey yo, I made that.
Oh wow!
Bro, that was.
If you want to see clips like this, make sure to subscribe. They are in my short section on my playlist. But anyways, the sound quality is really nice. I really like it. It's it's very decent, to be honest. It's actually not even decent. It's really good. Like really good. For the price, it's not so good. But everything is expensive nowadays in Pakistan. But yeah, I think overall for the price that I've paid for this headphones, I'm extremely satisfied. And in regard to the RGB, oh my god, that was amazing. I really love the RGB. I still have yet to find out how I can change the colors, but to be honest, I'm really pleased right now. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do subscribe for more. And yeah, right now I just took off the headphone just to show you a bit outside the headphones. I wonder if I unplug this, will it turn off the mic? Nope. So that's of course that's power is coming from the USB. But yeah, so you just tuck away the the mic like that, and yeah, that's it. So now, yeah, that's basically it, to be honest. It's a bit oily because of of course, I always have oil on my head. But yeah, with that being said, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned for unboxing of that. Peace be upon you all. Thank you for watching. And if you've made it till here, do comment down below, meow123. Thank you. Bye.